If you're wondering whether human hair extensions are worth the extra money, for most people, the answer is yes. While they cost more than synthetic hair, they usually look more natural, feel softer, and last much longer when they're cared for properly. The biggest difference is that human hair behaves much more like your own hair. You can wash it, style it with heat, straighten it and blend it far more naturally with your own hair. Synthetic hair has improved over the years, but it still can't offer the same level of realism and versatility. If you're planning to wear your extensions every day, investing in high quality human hair works out far better value over time. Premium hair can last many months or even longer depending on the range that you choose and how well you care for it. That said, not all human hair extensions are the same. The quality can vary significantly between brands, which is why price alone doesn't tell you how good the hair will be. Better quality hair is less likely to become dry, tangle excessively, or lose its natural softness, helping it to stay looking its best for much, much longer. It's also important to choose a quality hair extension technician. Even the best human hair won't perform well if it's fitted incorrectly or matched to the wrong hair extension method for your hair. So rather than asking whether human hair extensions are worth it, a better question is always whether they're the right investment for how you plan to wear them. If you're looking for a natural finish, want to style your hair as normal and expect your hair extensions to last, then high quality human hair is usually the better choice. If you're also comparing human hair with synthetic hair extensions, wondering what makes premium hair different or why some hair extensions are much cheaper than others, we've answered those questions in some of our other Roots Q&As too. And if there's a question that you can't see that you'd like us to answer, let us know, because we're always creating straightforward expert advice to help you choose the hair extensions that are genuinely right for you.